Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Ahsan CodeBytes. In this video, we are gonna talk about Python data types. So let's begin. As you can see in my screen, this Jupyter homepage, and I have already created a sample for data types of Jupyter. So let's start with Python data types. Okay, as we have different data types in Python for using in our programming. So as you can see, first we have x. Value of x is equals to hello world, that is string. We have a simple execution command for in Python, that is print this type to find out what's the value of x, and this is the variable x. So let's execute the first one to identify what's the data type of x. Let's initiate. The class is equals to x is string. As you can see, print type of variable x. The data type of x is string. Okay, now we are talk about x equals to 20, print type x. Now let's find out the value of x equals to 20, and the data type is integer, because of 20 is the series of integer, and x equals to 20, that is integer value. Okay, the another one is float. This is the simple form, that is 20 equals to integer, and the string is in quotation. So but in different data types in Python, we are introducing their data types as well for processing in programs, like x equals to float 20.5. Now let's execute it. This print, it's float. As you can clearly see, the float value is 20.5, and the class is also float. Okay, the another one is data type is complex. What is complex? Complex function is used to convert numbers or a string into complex number. Simple. If we have a number or a string character as well, so we are using complex to convert numbers or a string into complex number and use in a Python program. That's it. It's simple. Like, now execute this print command. It's complex. The class is complex. Okay, the another one is list. Let me update this. List are used to show multiple items in single variable. So as you can see, we have a variable x, and the list value is apple, banana, and cherry. If you want to execute it, let's find out what's the data type. Class is list, so you can easily add or store multiple values or multiple items in a single list, or call it in a Python program, or call it in a data level validations or verifications as per your requirement, as per your necessity, or the nature of your program or scope. That's it. Okay, the another one is tuple. Tuple is also is similar to a list. Tuples are also used to store multiple items in a single variable. uh, as you can see, the tuple, the syntax is tuple brackets values and items, and then simple print type the value of x, and the value is class is tuple. Okay, the another one is range. Why we are using range in Python? The range function is written a sequence of number starting from 0 by default. Basically, if you are defining the series from 1 to 10, or you have to keep in the loop, so you can easily define the range function in you can easily define the range data type in your Python program, and you can easily call this the value of x in your program. As you can see, the value of class is range, and the default value from starting value, the default value is 0, and so on. Okay. The another value of x is another data type is dictionary. What is dictionary? Basically, we are using dictionary for storing different values and different behaviors of an data level validations or verification as per your required functions and phenomena. What you actually required for your program. So print type, data type, class is dictionary. It's a form of dictionary format. Basically, the first name is equals to this, then comma, and then the syntax is quite easy. As you can see, name equals to John, then age equals to 36, and you can add more values like uh, program is equals to Python learning, etc. And you can just execute it. The class is dictionary. Okay. The another one data type is set. What is set? Basically, set is the group of values, a group of multiple values, and you can call it in any program or any point of stage that you actually required where you have to call out x. Set apple, banana, and child. This is simple examples for a for the data level sets. Print type, classes, set. Okay. What is FrozenSet? The another one data type is FrozenSet. Why we are using FrozenSet? FrozenSet is just an immutable version of a Python set object, while elements of set can be modified at any time. Basically, we are using FrozenSet if we want to update or modify the element at any time, that while you are editing and creating your programs in Python. So you can easily execute this as well. So the class is FrozenSet. Okay. The another one is bool. Why we are using bool in Python? The Python data type bool is used to store two values, example true and false. If we have two conditions like uh, if we have condition to emulate two conditions in a different manner, so in true and false for example, so we are using bool for validate if it's true or false. You can easily identify this data type as well if it's bool. Okay, it's quite easy in Python as well. X equals to byte array. Byte array. What is byte array? Byte array in byte array data type is using for identifying the array, the sequence of values in an array format. Okay, you can easily identify the class as well. It's byte array. Memory view. Why we are using memory view in Python? Memory view objects allow Python code to access the internal data of an object that supports the buffer protocol without copying. As you can clearly see in the term of memory view as well, we are using this data type for internal data of an object and buffer protocols without copying any value in Python functions and variables. The value of class is memory view. Okay, the another one and last is uh, bytes. Bytes can convert objects into bytes objects, as we have bit and byte concepts in programming. So bytes data type can easily convert the values into bytes format, bytes object, or create empty bytes object of the specified size according to your memory or size locations. So you can easily find out this value class bytes. So this is some data types that we are using in Python programming for creating web development, AI based things, and ML based things. And you can easily use this type of data, these data types in your programs and functions for any type of development purposes. So this video is now end, and we have almost covered all the data types, all the necessary data types in Pythons. So hope you like it, and keep supporting us, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.